Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is our monthly PR/recent purchases video for the month of March. Now today is a little different than normal. I'm usually really heavy in fashion. I'm actually light on fashion and heavy on other things basically. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Krystal and I put out 2 videos a week. This is a lifestyle channel and we just kind of talk about whatever we feel like over here. And today happens to be the PR monthly haul. If you guys are interested in PR hauls, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. The algorithm really likes it. And I'm gonna not ramble and get straight into it. Now, last week I did put out a TAMSY video. That was actually the only PR for clothing wise that I received. So I decided to do a dedicated video and I will link it below. If you haven't seen it yet, there are some great pieces in there. I'm not fixing to talk about the same thing that I just talked about. So I will link it for you to go check out. But while we are with the fashion right now, I did receive a pair of shoes from Neutralizer. Thank you so much, Neutralizer and Buzz Agent, for sending these shoes over. I am super excited. Spoiler alert, I have already opened them and I've already worn them and I've already photographed them. So yeah, let me just go ahead and open this for you. They are so pretty. Ah, look at that, yes. So I have not jumped on the platform bandwagon, but when I got an email about these, I was like, absolutely, I want to work with you. Thank you so much. As we all know, Platforms is having a moment. Let me clean some of this mess up real quick. You know, Platforms are having a moment right now. Now, these are not as high as some of the ones that we've been seeing with the designer brands like Versace and Valentino and even the ones like Steve Madden. But these are very comfortable. Again, I am flat-footed. I know I've mentioned that several times, but I did just want to iterate that again. I am flat-footed, but these are so comfortable to wear. They do give you the height without such a high pitch, and I think that's where the comfortableness comes in at. The toe, there are toe prints, I'm so sorry. The whole insert of the shoe is very squishy. I don't know if you can see that. These are adorable. Now I am a 7 and I ordered a 7 and I probably should have got a 6.5 because they are a smidge too big. I can still wear them with jeans and it's fine. Like I can still walk in them, but if I were to wear them with like a dress or anything, then you would definitely be able to see the looseness back here. So I would say if you're not going to try them on in person, if you're ordering online, I would say maybe size down half a size. But yes, these are pink suede. They smell like leather, and so I was confused. Is suede and leather the same thing? I'm really not sure. Anyways, these are really cute. I took some photos for the TAMSY pieces the other day, and I actually styled these with the kimono that I wore in that video and that I spoke about in that video. Yeah, these are super cute. My daughter is really excited because her foot is just about as big as mine. And these guys are going to be so cute for the spring, summer, and I'm so excited to have them in my closet. Now, the next thing up is something that was sent to me for free, but it was through IPSY. And so apparently IPSY has a skincare line. I don't think it's a skincare line, but it's called Refreshments. And I've been like just deleting the emails, but this time I decided, you know what, let me just go ahead and do it. And so this was a freebie that was offered to me because I am with IPSY. So if you're with IPSY, then you're probably familiar of what I'm talking about. And I have kind of peeked in here. And first off, the packaging is super cute, but it comes with this little gift bag. Let's move this over here. Ooh, dropping stuff. Okay, so this is the box, what it comes in, and apparently it is I have not opened this actual box. I've just seen this little brochure. And it says skin, hair, and body care made better for all. And then how it works. And it talks about stocking your bathroom, good, clean, fun. It gives the reviews, personal care with peace of mind, and then it talks about all those different little things there. It comes with some stickers, which will probably go to my daughters. Let's get this open. There we go. Oh, did it fall apart? Uh-oh. It's stuck on this thing. Did I open it upside down? No? Oh my gosh. Hopefully nothing broke. That is wild. Okay, so I guess we need better quality control, IPSY. All right, so it come like this. Nothing was in the little slots, and it looks like the razor. So here is the razor handle, and then it comes with two replaceable razor heads, and it also comes with a little sticky suction cup for your shower, and I guess it would go like that and just kind of sit right there. I'm not going to open these right here. I've just replaced my razor in my shower, so I will have to try these out once that one goes in the trash, which won't be long. Now, staying with the beauty skincare situation, I have a package here from TreeActiv. Thank you, TreeActiv, for sending this over. They contacted me on Instagram and asked if they could send over some products for me to test out. And I think we've been following each other on Instagram for a few years now, and so I've been seeing a lot of their stuff. Okay, so they've sent 3 different products. Oh, 4. Okay. What is that, eucalyptus? I can smell something. Okay, so we have Acne Scar Cream. Now okay, it just smells like skincare, like nothing, no fragrance at all. It's just like plain. Now I am blessed enough to not have to deal with acne. I do get pimples every now and then. Usually it's around my time of the month, but my son does suffer from acne. So he will be using that probably, and this acne patch. Now I do use little, like the little pimple patches, like the little ones for spots. This, okay. Oh, it's got 24. So I guess this is about the same. I can kind of see through. I don't want to open anything and then get it all nasty. So there is that. And then an acne spray for your back and body. So Gavin is going to have a field day with these. I won't be able to test these out for myself again because I don't have acne at all, and so I will have to keep you guys informed, and you can follow my Instagram. I will be posting stuff over there and reviews and pictures and whatnot like that. So thank you again, TreeActiv, for sending over all of these awesome things. I know my teenager will appreciate it. Moving on to Influenster. Can I really do a PR video without including Influenster? They have sent over, actually this and another thing that we'll talk about in a minute. These are Emergen-C crystals. These are so cool. So I already like the Emergen-C little pouches, like especially whenever it's around, you know, like now with like allergies and then going into the fall where like the flu and all these nasty things are going around. I'll give these to my kids and I'll use them myself and make up the little drinks. But now they have, and I've already opened these, and my kids have tested them, and I've already tested them, so I'm speaking from experience here. They have come out with these little Emergen-C crystals, and so basically they are these little guys, and you put it, and you just put like dry dump in your mouth, and they're like Pop Rocks. So my kids really enjoy taking these. They get 1 a day, and they come with a really good amount in the box. Now this is for the kids. They also taste really good too. And then this is for the adult. Now this is the orange flavor. It's got 500 milligrams vitamin C, on the go immune support. Again, this is a really good size box, and it comes with several pouches in here. My favorite, of course, is this one right here. What is this? Strawberry? Where's the flavor? Yeah, strawberry. Oh, right there. Sparkling strawberry. This one is definitely my favorite out of the two, but this is not bad either. And they do like pop and crackle in your mouth. So it reminds me a lot of Pop Rocks. So thank you, Influenster, for sending over this complimentary box for me to test out. And then the other, oh, I left it over there, didn't I? Where's it at? Oh, it's right here. Now, this other piece is actually a really large piece, and I was not expecting this. Like, it showed up at my house before I got the email that I was getting this. So, I got a Brita water filter. How freaking cool is that? Like, this is awesome. So, as soon as it came in, I opened it up and plugged it in, and we've been using it for, it's probably been about 2 weeks that it's been sitting on our counter in there. I'll have to take you and show you what it looks like after we're done with everything else. But this is awesome. If you don't have one of these systems, I highly recommend it. The only thing I would add to this, if I could, is make it cold. Like, it's room temperature water, but other than that, it's awesome. So thank you again, Influencer and Brita, for sending over this complimentary water filter. Hashtag Brita Water, hashtag complimentary. Moving on. So I have started working with another Amazon company. And so these things, usually I'm sent clothes. Well, that's with one Amazon person. With this, it's more of like things, and it's really cool actually. So this one came in yesterday, and it's open because I had to do a specific video for Amazon. So this is not sponsored or anything. It's just I'm including it in this video. But it comes in this really big box, and it is actually a blanket. It is so cool. Don't know if you guys remember, I had showed you a little piece of my game room that I'm putting together for my girls. And this is a blanket that is for the game room. And it has like a plethora of different graphics all over it. Let's see, we've got like Nintendo controllers. We've got, oh, there's a bigger one. So cool, so cool. Right here, I don't know, I'm not gonna be able to read this backwards. Let's see, what does this say? It says, I dream of a better world where I can play video games all day long without having my sanity questioned. So this is going to go in our game room, and I'm still working on putting that together. So there will be a video coming up pretty soon, not right away, but pretty soon. Anyways, I thought this was just so cool, and it's so soft. Like, if you could just feel how soft this is. My girls are fighting over it already. They really want it. And I'm like, I've got to do the video first. And then the last thing that I have is for the kitchen. And this is really cool too. And it's actually a paper towel holder. And it is solid stone. It feels like it's granite. I really, like, I don't know, but it comes like this. It's pretty heavy. We have a package, what is this called? Foam packaging. So it comes like this. And I'm going to try not to break anything. Can we see this? Okay, so this is the paper towel holder. And then, and this is the base. And then you basically screw it in here, and then it has, hang on, bear with me. It comes with the bolt and nuts and the, whatever this little, what is that, like a socket wrench? Whatever those are called. Anyways, and so it comes like that, and it's all together. This thing is so heavy, like, can you hear that? That is heavy duty. I think it's granite, I really do. Anyways, it is super nice. And I haven't set it up yet. Well, I've set it up, but I haven't put it out on my counter because I was waiting to do this video. but it's so nice and it just kind of goes with everything and it's very heavy duty. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This video was a little all over the place, so let me know what you think about this type of PR haul that's not specifically for fashion. Are y'all okay with these? Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up on this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.